If you run any type of business, you know how important automated email sequences are to your business, especially in things like e-commerce, but in many other types of business as well. But they can be quite a schlep to create. So what I've created is a custom GPT that is specialized in creating email sequences for any purpose necessary. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can work with it. It's completely free, so you can check it out at the custom GPT marketplace in OpenAI Chat GPT. So I've set up the GPT in such a way that it works with you step by step. I hate it when ChatGPT goes and asks you a bunch of questions at once and then you have to answer all of them before you can proceed. So I've coached it to be very step by step. So all you need to do, you can start with any question you like, but what you need to do is just initiate email sequence architect. Just click on this button and bam, we're off to the races. Okay, so then it asks, what's the purpose of this sequence that we're creating? I'm going to say abandoned cart. So somebody comes, adds stuff to their cart, and they abandon it. They don't go through with the purchase. So the next question it asks is, how many emails would you like in your sequence? I'll say 3. Okay, and then it asks, would you like to start from a template or build from scratch? I would say scratch. Okay, what is the first email about? Okay, let's just say we want to create an abandoned cart email for this product, which is some smart glasses. Now it says, nice, you're directing cart abandoners back to specific product, the G1A glasses from Even Realities. Let's frame the first email as a friendly reminder that highlights the cool factor and the quality product they left behind. So subject line for this would be, still thinking it over, your G1A glasses are waiting, and then a glasses emoji. Okay, so let's say that works. Right, then the next thing we're going to do is say, what is the main message or call to action of this email? Return to your cart, take another look, complete your purchase. Let's say, return to your cart, cart, cart. Great. Return to your cart is a clear, low-friction CTA that works well for a first nudge. So now, how would you like the email to be? And it's going to say storytelling approach, direct pitch, or educational format. Let's try educational. Okay, so it's come up with the subject line, the pre-header that says, see what makes G1A the future of vision design, body copy. Hey, first name, you left something behind, and it's not just any pair of glasses. The G1A is gray, is designed for those who see the world differently. Here's why they stand out: minimalist design, lightweight comfort, so it shows all the benefits. And then if your cart's still open, your G1A is still waiting. Return to cart, but heads up, this style moves fast. Secure yours before it's gone. So let's say that's great. Email 2, please. Okay, so it's asking what's the focus of the second email, and it's saying create urgency, offer an incentive, show social proof, overcome objections. So let's just say social proof in this case. And then it says, here's a suggested subject line for email 2. Why others are loving G1A looky emoji. Okay, so great. Okay, so next up, what is the main CTA for this email? See what they're saying, return to your cart, um, see what they're saying. Okay, perfect. See what they're saying ties in beautifully with social proof and angle. Storytelling approach, highlight one compelling customer story. Direct format or conversational style. Let's go with direct format. And there you've got your second email. Why others are loving G1A, real feedback, real style, real comfort. Still thinking about the G1A? You're not alone. The customers can't stop talking about them. Here's what people are saying. Lightweight, super clean, crazy comfortable. I wear them every day. And then you've got your testimonials in there, and then they can click through to the site and start exploring again. So let's do email 3. Let's say limited stock. Almost gone. Let's say that's great. Now, you can obviously back and forth with the thing. You don't have to say everything's great. If you don't like something, tell it to change it up, and it will do that. So what CTA should we go here for? Let's say before it's gone. And there we go. We've got email 3. So let's do finalize. So you can obviously take this as just a starting draft for your emails. Obviously, you want to go over them, take away what's not necessary, insert things that align with your brand and your values and your writing style. But this is just a quick way to get out of the gates and create something that you can then go and, fine tune so that it fits perfectly for your purpose. So here it finalizes. It gives me all 3 of the emails in one go. I can just go and copy that over here and then paste it into a document and get it into my email sequencing software, be it MailChimp or ConvertKit or whatever you're using, or Kit as it's now known. But in any case, so it says, would you like to export the sequence? I don't think that functionality really works in ChatGPT. Add automation, timing, triggers, set up follow-ups or re-engagement emails. So now, let's just say, thanks. That's great. We're done. Boom. And you don't even have to do that. You've got your content and you can just go and set it up in your email sequence software. So that's it. And yes, I hope you've enjoyed this little look into this GPT. I'll have a link to it in the description. You can go and play with it right away. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you find any niggles, if you find any thing that's not working very well, let me know. I can fine tune it in the background. Thank you for watching. This is Marius from Digital Flowcraft, and I'll see you in the next video.